Hey guys, it's John here. I'm actually at work doing a shave and it's hump day. So we're going to be shaving with Shave Worx Hump Day today. It's an excellent soap. It's orange and grapefruit with pineapple and vanilla. It's very nice and fruity. It's perfect for midweek. And my brush today is going to be this brush, which is a Todd Goodstein creation for me from TG Shaving, and it's got a AMAX synthetic knot in it. And then my razor today is going to be a Ralf Aust 5/8 round tip, and it's a excellent razor. And I traveled with it in this beautiful case that was given to me by Robert Malski from Malski Strops, and I finished it on Robert's new horsehide strop, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's supple and soft. It's got a fast draw. It's an excellent addition to my shaved end, so I brought that with me. So I have the soap already blooming, and I'm just going to prepare. Yeah, this is actually in the gym at work, where I work, and I'm going to work out a little bit right after my shave. I'm using my new red South Florida Wet Shavers towel. So I've got that to wipe off my blade on. So I'm just going to wet my brush down a little bit. It's synthetic. That's why I brought it with me. And let's load Hump Day. Hope everyone's Hump Day is going as well as mine did. And this is a Shave Worx soap. As you guys all know, it's very good. I am doing a little something different with my shave, being that I'm at work. It's a cold water shave because I don't have hot water here. But it's okay. And being how I still wanted to shave with my straight razor, I brought the Ralf Aust because it's a very forgiving razor, being 5/8 and a round tip. Very nice. So this soap has a little bit of tint to it, like a brownish tint, if you guys see that. And the reason for that is the vanilla. There's vanilla in the soap. So whenever you have soap that has vanilla in it, you automatically are going to have that. So here we go, we're going to start the shave. Remember how important it is to stretch your skin, that is. Very good. Excellent. And Ralf Aust makes a number of really well-made razors. So we're going to hear some employees walking around. I know the light's a little different in here than you're accustomed to seeing at my house, obviously, in my shave den. So I hope it's not too bad. And we're just gonna put a little bit of water on there, feel around, and then let's throw a second pass on. This smells great. The grapefruit and the orange and the pineapple, very, very well. And just a hint of vanilla that comes through. Excellent, excellent. Let me wipe my hands off. Make sure you always wipe your hands off with a straight razor. And then I'm going to be going across the grain for my second pass. And we'll work the other side. Very nice. We're going to go against the grain. On the neck. And you guys know me, I could do a third pass, but there's no need. It's in the middle of the week for me. Very good, very simple, quick 2 pass. I'll just hit this area. Just make sure I clean it up a little bit. There we go. Excellent. Nice fast 2-pass shave. Ralf Aust 5/8 round tip. It's a beautiful, beautiful razor. And I will put it back in my case, which is a custom-made case by Robert Malski at Malski Strops, and you can see his logo on it. It's beautiful. He makes an assortment of different ones. My soap, of course, was Hump Day by Shave Worx. Very good. And I'm just going to wipe off with my towel. Excellent. Very nice, nice quick shave. I'm going to finish up with Hump Day, which is the aftershave. And this particular version is the alcohol-free version. It's the original one. Very nice. And when you put the aftershave on, you can definitely feel and smell the components in the aftershave, and you can smell the orange really prevalent. It's very, very good. And of course, my brush was Todd Goodstein made this for me, and here's his coin in the bottom, and it's TG Shave Company from Todd Goodstein. So there's a quick shave from work today on Hump Day. And now I'm going to go change and hit the gym and work out a little bit. So thank you for watching. I love all my subscribers, and if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a great week, and have an even better shave. Take care, my friends.